Hello, I need you to clean things up.
Who is that?
Ben, student.
Wait, why Masin? He is student, right?
Because Ben didn't want to come with us to record earlier, so I intend to kill him.
Oh, so when I must kill him?
Next year maybe, if I don't forget.
Okay. May I bring my subordinate, sir?
Sure.
Denia.
Yes, madam.
Mr. Audra gave us a mission.
I was planning to kill Ben because Ben didn't want to come with us to record, so I wanted to did that.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Tomorrow, he will definitely go to Aban. Try to follow it.
Okay, sir. Hello, sir. I found the target. What do you want to do?
If he was started first, sorry for him. He was still small. Just should let him repent immediately.
Wait, I think he will repent in hell.
Hopefully in the worst hell, not in the heaven.
Okay, so when do we shoot him?
If we can end him faster, otherwise we are the ones who die because of Mizara's red pen.
Okay, thank you. Ready to shoot?
What's wrong, madam?
Wait, I think I ran out of my bullets. Do you have any bullets?
You did not want me to bring anything, madam. Only my body and my clothes. How can I carry bullets?
Oh my gosh. I think we should buy bullets first. But I don't have any money.
Bad boss. I also don't bring my money.
Wait. Hello, sir. We don't have money and bullets. How do we kill Ben?
I think yesterday I gave funds to buy the necessities needed for this tax, right?
Oh, I have spent the money to buy skincare. Yeah, I thought it was a bonus for me. Might I borrow your money?
How dare you are? I gave this, but give it back 5 times more, okay?
Yes, sir. Next year I will return it. Okay, now let's buy bullets first.
Yes, madam.
Excuse me, sis. Want to buy bullets?
Okay, you can see that I only sell 3 kinds of the best bullets I have in my store, and I sell Romance bullet, PHP bullets, and DTM bullets in 2 different kinds of package. I offer you 20 pieces of Romance bullets, 15 pieces of PHP bullets, and 12 pieces of DTM bullets in package 1. While we move into the next package, I sell only 18 pieces of Romance bullets, 17 pieces of PHP bullets, and 22 pieces of DTM bullets in package 2. And because each bullet only has limited stock, I have for about 7,200 for each bullet. And of course, because of the amount of bullet that you get will be different, I offer a different price for you too. I only sell package 1 with 800,000 and I sell package 2 with 500,000. If you're wondering what kind of best deal that you will get from buying this kinds of bullets, I'll offer you 4 kinds of option. The first one, I'll sell 166 package 1 and 277 package 2, it will cost for about 271,300,000 rupiah. For the second option, I'll give you only the package 2 for amount 514. It will cost for about 257 million rupiah. For the third option, I'll give you only the package 1 for amount 600. It will cost for about 480 million rupiah. And for the last one, you will get both of the package with different amount. For the package 1, you will get 286, and you will get 172 for package 2. It will cost for about 313,800,000 rupiah. So that is the price that I could offer you. It was very affordable, right? I mean, if you don't want to buy in here, just leave, because I bet this is the very affordable price among other stores. And if you don't like it, just leave, just go, because I don't need that kind of customers. Thank you.
Hi there. So now I'll be explaining to you guys the diagram of the prices so you can find the best value. So here we know that in the package 1, it consists of 20 pieces of romance bullet, 15 pieces of PHP bullet, and 12 pieces of DTM bullet, all in all costing 800k rupiah. Then we have the other package, aka package 2, with 14 pieces of romance bullet, 17 pieces of PHP bullet, and 22 pieces of DTM bullet, with in total of just 500k rupiah. But the problem is our stock is limited for each bullet, as explained, with each bullet only 7,200 in stock. But with this information, we can now create a linear programming. Now, what is this linear programming? Well, according to Widyatama, linear programming is a mathematical modeling technique in which a linear function is maximized or minimized when subjected to various constraints. The solution of the linear programming problem reduces to finding the optimum value, largest or smallest, depending on the problem of the linear expression called the objective function. So now I'm going to use the information that we know to find the best value for the bullet supplies, but by first creating a diagram. Now let me share screen our work. Okay, so now from the information we got, we can make this table that has X and Y that represent our package 1 and 2, and we also have in here our types of bullet with the amount of it in each package, and the stock we have, which is less than or equals to 7,200. Here we can also find the constraints, which is 800,000 X plus 500,000 Y. Now with this information, now it is time for us to create the mathematical linear sentences to input on our diagram. Now I've actually made that beforehand, and here it is. So for romance bullet, we can make 20x plus 14y less than equals to 7,200, and then for our PHP bullet, we have 15x plus 17y less than equals to 7,200, and for our data bullet, we have 12x plus 2y less than equals to 7,200. Wait. Oh wait, I'm actually wrong here. Data bullet is 12x plus 22y less than equals to 7,200, as we see here. Okay, now let's input it on our diagram, but to cut time, because yeah, I know you guys are on a rush. We've actually made a video made by my partners, and I'll just show it to you guys and explain it. Hold on. Okay, now here it is. Now I'll play it first. Now, okay, I'll make it faster for you guys. So by inputting our sentences that we've made before. We got part A, which is this, and then we have also this B next line, and we have this another line which equals to in total 3 lines. Now it is time for us to add points to find the edges of this diagram. Here we got point A on H1, and we have another point B, point C, and lastly point D, and it is all inserted in the edges of this diagram. So we got these points. The first one, point A, we got 0, 514, and then we got point B with 166, 277, and then we have point C with 286, 172, and lastly we have point D with 600, 0. So now it's time for us to input these points while multiply it with the constraints to get the best values. Now let's go back to the previous step. Okay, so here we are. Let's go back to this. Now, I calculated this before with my partners, and we got the first one, 800,000 times 166 plus 500,000 times 277, which equals to 132.8 million plus 158.5 million, which equals to 271.3 million. Next, we got 800,000 times 0 plus 500,000 times 514, which gets us to 257 million as a result. And also we got 800,000 plus times 600 plus 500,000 times 0, which equals to 480 millions. And lastly, we got 800,000 times 286 plus 500,000 times 172, which equals to 228.8 millions plus 86 millions, which equals to 314.8 millions. Now this is all our values. So if you are rich and bougie and have all the money in the world, you can spend your money in our most expensive bullet package here by maximizing all of our values, which will get you to the price of 480 million. But if you are not so rich, if you're in a tight budget, you can pick this one, our most least expensive items of package, which is 271.3 millions. Well, I guess that's all for the bullet packages. I hope that helps. That's all for me. Bye-bye.
Well, I picked the package number 1 and here's the money. Now let's go to Ben's place and don't forget to make sure the items are complete, right?
Ready, madam. All the things are complete.
Ya asik nih bulan ini bisa main di pantai ya guys ya. Kok ada kalian?
Hi Ben.